The High Court has said that this is a protected area. There is a notification issued in the year 2021 where this area has been declared a silent zone, and therefore the court has said that permissions cannot be granted, and these festivals should not be carried out in respect of this noise and other pollution that is being caused. That is one thing that has happened. But most importantly, what has happened is the Pollution Control Board has pointed out that there are around 11 structures or 11 activities who do not have any consent from the point of view of from the pollution. So therefore they have directed that these projects or particular restaurants or any other activity that is happening in these 11 particular projects or sites, there should not be any permission, or these activities should be banned straight away. And the Pollution Control Board has actually issued an order of closure that will be implemented immediately. And the Pollution Control Board is supposed to find out if there are more activities which are happening without the permission of the Pollution Control Board, and they will take appropriate actions in respect of these particular activities.
What is the specific area?
This is in the area of Morjim and Mandrem.